Branding versus marketing. Branding and marketing seem like the same thing, but they are not. In MBA classes, they will have you reading research papers, studying cases, and having focus groups to understand the difference between branding and marketing. Even then, a lot of these classes lead to speculation. They analyze what they think the brand was trying to do. This was clearly a branding ploy. No, it was a marketing one. I have a simple distinction between the two. Marketing promotes a product, branding promotes a name. I'll give you an example. Taco Bell. The only Taco Bell commercials I see are of their newest products. Recently, they launched a chicken empanada. This chicken empanada is a product. When they promote this product, they are marketing. Apple is different. The few times I see an Apple commercial, it's a statement on what Apple stands for. One of their most iconic commercials is Think Different. Apple views itself as a rebel brand, or at least it did before it became the industry titan that it is today. Where a lot of other companies were creating bland computers that did the job, Apple was creating art disguised as technology. Their mantra, Think Different, was meant to promote to the public what they stood for. Once the brand is powerful enough, the products market themselves. When the products have been marketed a ton, the public forms their own perception of what the brand is. For example, with Nike, they invest so much into their brand that the products market themselves at this point. I rarely see a shoe commercial. Instead, I see commercials of athletes doing cool things. Other companies don't brand, but somehow still have a brand. I would say Taco Bell is like that. They aren't posting many commercials nowadays about what they stand for. But since they promote their products so much, I have a general feel for what their brand is. Cheap, fast tacos. The main difference between branding and marketing is that branding promotes a name, while marketing promotes a product.